Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a skirt without darts and without pattern. For that we need only two things, that is one fabric and second elastic. I have taken the cotton fabric and the measurement for this skirt is your waist measurement plus 10 inches extra. And the length of the fabric is 20 inches plus 3 inches extra for folding and hemming. You have to cut your rectangle piece in this measurement. After cutting the rectangle piece, you have to join your fabric like this, joining the end of the fabric and apply a straight stitch over here. Now apply a straight stitch from starting to end. After applying a stitch, now from the bottom of your skirt, fold the fabric near about half inches for hemming. I have double fold my fabric and will apply the stitch over here to hold my skirt. After hemming from bottom of the skirt, now I will stitch a waist. From waist, mark a point of 2 inches. I have marked a point of 2 inches and then fold the fabric like this and apply a seam over it, over the whole fabric, but leaving 1.5 inches space without a stitch. And here I have leave a space for 1.5 inches to insert the elastic in my waist. Now take your elastic, and the measurement of the elastic is your waist measurement minus 3 inches. And here is my elastic. Now I will insert the elastic in the waist area with the help of safety pin. The extra cloth will be gathered in the elastic, and make sure your elastic didn't twist. And here I come to the end of my waist. From starting to end of the waist, I have put my elastic. Now, when elastic is in the waist area, stitch the ends of the elastic to secure it. Like joining the both end, apply a stitch over here. After applying a stitch over here, your waist is ready, and apply a seam over 1.5 inches area where you left to insert the elastic. After applying a stitch over there, I will apply a stitch in the center of elastic. You can also apply single stitch or double stitch, and I have applied double stitch so that my elastic didn't twist over there. And here my skirt is ready to wear. If you like my videos, then click the subscribe button so that you will get the notification of my videos. Thank you.